Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing a dairy-free hot chocolate recipe with cocoa powder. This hot chocolate recipe is easy to make. It's rich, creamy and delicious. A perfect treat for both kids and adults for this Valentine's Day without any guilt. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my high-speed blender, I'm adding in 1/4 cup soaked cashew nuts. I soak the cashew nuts for around 30 minutes. Did you know that cashew nuts are a good source of protein and fiber? They're also a good source of potassium, B vitamins, folate, magnesium, phosphorus, selenium and copper. Cashew milk is a great dairy-free option like almond milk. If you have any allergy to dairy milk, cashew milk is also a great option. To sweeten this, I'm using 3 dates. You can use coconut sugar or even powdered jaggery instead. Add in 1 cup hot water. Please note that I'm using a steel blender, so make sure you're using a blender made of steel or glass when blending with hot water. Add in 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence and blend all this on high speed for about 40 to 50 seconds. Pour the blended hot chocolate to a serving cup. As you can see, the hot chocolate is thick and creamy, all thanks to the cashew nuts. Sprinkle some cocoa powder on top and my quick and easy cashew milk hot chocolate is ready to serve. Enjoy your Valentine's Day with this super delicious hot chocolate. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.